Hey everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another video. As you all know, people like to send me stuff from my Amazon wish list. And today I got this really cute top from Yan, but it is spelled Jan, so I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, so I'm so sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But if you're watching this, let me know how you would pronounce it. But anyway, and yeah, so today we're gonna see what 3 outfits I can make with this top. So let's go check them out. So this is the first outfit, and this is the kind of outfit I would wear to my hip hop class. It's very, movable, and of course it's not too hot, and it's perfect. And so what I did is I paired this gray spaghetti strap or cami top over the long sleeve, and then I added these black cargos with a pair of my Adidas runners, and of course my hair is up, and it's just a super nice stylish outfit. So yeah, on to the next one. So this is my second outfit, and this is more of a outfit that I would never think to wear, but of course I'm starting to branch out more. So for this outfit I decided to pair this top with a pair of high-waisted jeans and a pair of black high-heeled boots. And I never really wear high heels that often, so this is really a first, but I really thought that this looked really cute and it's just super different, and I just really love the way it looks. So let's get on to the last outfit. So this is the last outfit, and this is really my type of outfit. It's a nice casual kind of loungewear kind of outfit, which is how I'd wear it. I could wear this literally anywhere. I could wear it out, I could wear it just sitting inside, I could wear it doing whatever, honestly, dancing, who knows. But I just really love it. So I paired it with a pair of these dark wash high-waisted jean shorts and these black Converse All-Stars. And this is just such a basic, nice look. So once again, thank you so much, Jan, once again, sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I really love this top, and thank you to all of you for watching and supporting my channel, and also let me know in the comments which one of the 3 outfits was your favorite. I really like the second one. I'll see you guys soon.